Hey there YouTube, I'm here with a quick Airsoft unboxing of some items I bought recently from Gunfire. Gunfire is a Airsoft retailer in Poland. I'm not from Poland, and the order took some time to get here. It took them about 2 weeks to tell me the problem with the stock of an item that was $1. So for $1, 2 weeks they didn't ship my order yet. Anyway, I'm here to show you what I got. I hope they are good, and let's start. I like the way they package this all up. Hopefully my knife can cut this and I won't cut anything inside. There appear to be two separate boxes in here. Yeah, I made quick work of that. Yeah, 2 boxes. Okay, we'll take one box, put it aside for now. Let's open this up, see what's inside. Got in a little deep there. Let's be careful, don't want to damage anything inside. Oh man, I'm so psyched. I've been waiting for this for such a long time. Oh yeah, nice. What is this? Never seen anything, a box packaged this way before. Nice, I like it. Yeah, and the first item, let's put that aside. First item, my plate carrier. I got a JPC, tan JPC plate carrier. So let's see. Oh man, it looks good, and it has the plates inside. I didn't think it would have plates inside. It looks good. It looks fine. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. So here you can put mags. If I can just open it, free M4 mags I'm gonna use here. An admin pouch. Yeah, but I'll do a separate review if you're interested. Looks good, man. I'm really happy. Yeah, let's get on with it. Put this aside for now. Yeah, my order details. Yeah, oh, look at that. Oh yeah, this here is my my camelback. Yeah, it comes with a typical camelback. Yeah, but this one came with a cover also. So that looks good. That looks good. Like it. Hydration is so important for me. I always get thirsty when running around, and in Airsoft you always run. Next we have some rail covers. Well, they look well. Yeah, I like it. 4. I'll probably put the prices and the links to the products in below in the description. Yeah, this looks well. Next an AK mag pouch. What do you call it? I run a Spec 9 for. So I bought this to stick a green gas can inside. Hopefully I will manage to. It looks kind of small. Shit. Yeah. I don't know if I will be able to fit a green gas bottle in here. Oh well, I'll have to try it out. Yeah, so my pistol replica Beretta uses green gas, and I was trying to do something so I can recharge if I need to. Oh well, let's get on with it. The second box. By the way, I will do a separate review on all of these, and on my Specna Arms M4 rifle. Oh yeah, this is an MP5 mag, a metal one. I bought this for a friend. Very heavy. It's a high cap mag. Looks good. Hope it will be fine. Another one. Let's see. Oh yes, this is my BB loader. 470 or 450. I don't really know now, but I hope it's good. Looks fine. Next, my M4 magazine. This is 190 mid-cap magazine. Hope it's okay. I got 3 of them for me and another 2 for a buddy. So yeah. Oh, by the way, they're metal mags. Let's take one out. Take a closer look. That feels really nice. That feels really nice. I like it. It's all cold to the touch. And it's not like a typical M4 mag. You see, it's more like an AK mag shaped, and it's way bigger. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Next. Oh yeah, I got this. Oh my god, it's gigantic. It's green gas, or yeah, Airsoft green gas, smart gas. It's big, man. Look. Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, and I got this because it says works in low temperatures, and in my country now it's a little cold, and I saw that my green gas pistol doesn't perform as well. I hope it's good. Let's get on. These are my knee pads, I think. Yeah, knee pads. The digital pattern looks really well. I was going for all coyote or tan approach, but looks well. And these are my elbow pads. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. Very, very nice. I hope they're good. I'm going to do a review on all of them, and if you want to check that out, like, subscribe, anything, always good. Yeah. So let me just show you my Specna arms that I'll be putting all this shit on. I'll do a review on this as well. Good gun. I'm very happy about it. So, with that, this was my unboxing. See you later. Peace out.